What's up, Jigsaw King?
What the is this?
Squid
Again?
eater? I brought the bike. I told you my legs hurt. You got me out here riding the sheriff sucking tea, bro.
Oh, no. Blame that guy over there.
What's up, Brad? I got my gear there, but my legs hurt, bro. Are we going to that meet?
We're going
to that meet, huh? I knew it!
I'm sorry, dude.
There's nothing else to do.
This wasn't my idea.
You were the one that told me about it.
I told you about
Sippy
it.
told me
But I
about
was
it.
down to go to fucking Ruston.
I'm down to go to Ruston.
Sippy and them are coming here.
Why don't we just meet them there? I'll drive.
They're already there. Why don't you just get your bike off the damn truck so we can ride there?
The game today is ride fast with.
I know, but my legs hurt, bro.
Why
do my legs hurt, bro? Can I just drive and all?
No,
Yeah.
he wasn't about to ride.
I
Then I
wasn't
said,
about
they're
to
like,
ride.
I was gonna meet up with you.
Until
He's like,
he was like, oh yeah, fucking
He played both of us because I wasn't gonna ride, and he said I'm meeting up with Red, and I was like, fuck, I gotta ride then. He played us both.
damn. I think that means you owe me Sarton.
That's a good one. That's a good one, bro. That's a good. Gotta give him props for that. You guys just want to load your bikes up in there
Yeah, motherfuckers, my bike is fixed
for now.
for now.
Alright guys, we are going to a car meet. Oh my god, Red is on the bike. Let's hope we make it down the street this time.
that why you really bought the truck?
Yeah. Let's go, bro. Beautiful day to ride bikes. Alright, we're following Jigsaw Ray because me and Red have no idea where we're headed. I really gotta get a phone mount. Already we're in traffic. Oh yeah, there was just a cop and oh damn, there's a fire. Holy shit. Oh yeah, Ray, let's go, bro. Yeehaw, mother. Go to the right, go to the right, go to the right, go to the right. Go to the right, go to the right, go to the right, right. To the right, to the right, to the right. Yeah, buddy. We lost Red. He's coming. Let's go, Red. Let's go, Red. Well, that was fun. Alright, we made it to Seattle, fam. This is weird because I said I wasn't really gonna motovlog anymore. But I never get to hang out with these guys. It's weird, man. And finally, Red's bike is fixed. Like, we thought it was fixed, but it wasn't. but now it is fixed. So it's a good day. It's a beautiful day. My legs are killing me though. Gee whiz. Oh God. Ray, crazy, bro. Look at Ray. Waiting on Red, bro. Red, you're not gonna get left behind, dude. I got you. Woo! Look at that view, guys. Golly, gee whiz. All right, we made it. I think it's coming up somewhere around here. That little breeze in the afternoon after a hot, sunny day. It feels so good. We're early? I'm not sure. This is a weird... This is a weird place to have a car meet, man. It's just a parking garage. The kind of car meet is this? Yeah. But then we just park out there. Bro, as soon as we got to Seattle, I hit one of those bumps, and then I was like this, and I was like, you know what, Ray? You go ahead, bro. This motherfucker crazy. I drove my truck.
Stop running, madapaka. Bro, this truck.
I know he brought his truck and parked it somewhere in South Center.
Yeah.
And he drove you guys for.
Why are you hiding?
Oh shit, what's up?
To roast me.
Oh, to roast you? Oh, you roast yourself, man. Why didn't you ride, bro?
Because I was driving with him.
Jesus Christ.
Blame.
You know why? Because we're RX-7 crew, motherfucker.
That's a sad ass crew. There's only two of you. Hey, should I leave my key? I got full coverage.
I thought it was gonna be street parking. I'm like, how is there gonna be a meet?
How did you even know where to park?
No, I was just like.
We pulled up and he just pulled straight in here like he knew where this was.
No, the fucking Manap and all the way over here.
For real? Alright, bro. Let's go get my sweaty ass some boba. Some bobos.
Lift this shit, dude. It's fucking hot.
You brought your truck.
What's that?
I heard you brought your truck.
Yeah, why? What's up?
You're not a real rider. You're a fake rider.
No, I rode here.
Exposed you to all your followers.
I rode here.
He put 5 miles on the bike and he put the rest on the truck.
Pretty much. That's how I keep my miles so
50
low.
miles on the truck, 5 miles on the bike.
That's how I keep the miles low, okay? Fuck a resale value. Where's the motorcycle line, bro? It's in the front? Paul, what's up, motherfucker? What's up?
The whole fast guys are here.
Did you get a new Fest? Did they let you in? No, they didn't. What's up, brother? What's up, fam? You guys in line?
Yeah, we're
Bro, oh my god, dude.
chilling.
Jesus, I thought I smelled fucking curry, bro. Jesus Christ. I love your shirt, dude. This shit is hilarious.
My homie fucking gave it to me for my birthday.
For real? That's a good ass homie.
But it's not because of the jinx.
No, yeah, but now it is.
Now it is.
Somebody on the video said, when you give a Jigsaw rider some money.
Hey, all you that keep saying, give me your bike. If you can buy my bike, you can have it.
High interest. Whenever there's a new boba spot that opens up, it's like the fucking brand new iPhone. All the Asians line up for this shit. Bro, you know we just came from a boba spot. We went from one boba spot to another boba spot, bro. I can smell the steamed rice coming off of everybody's sweat here, bro. Sippy, you have to buy 4 to get a shirt?
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy 1, you buy 4, you drink all 4.
There's all the people that got money.
You got Asian rice and European rice.
What's Tesla? Is that American?
That's American rice. That's Uncle Ben.
Taco Bell. Man, let's just get some boba, bro. I don't want no shirt. I already own a shirt. Hey, can we get a shirt? We're here for the shirt line, bro. They said that they're gonna let us go first. We good? Nah. He said nah. I roasted this shirt. That's automatic shirt, bro.
Right?
Yes. Jason, I remember you. Miata, right? You had a Miata.
Mazda 3.
Oh, you same shit, bro. Good shit, bro. Hey, Sippy, what size you want, bro? That's the iPhone line, right? Or is there's probably a new rice cooker, bro. Oh. There's a new rice cooker. We're gonna buy some drinks. I'm not Mr. Beast. I'm Mr. Yeast. Yeast infection, fool. This is what YouTube does to you guys. Makes you do dumbass shit. I should have gotten cash out. That would have been easier. That's their tip, fool.
Oh, you trying to buy a shirt? That's what you're doing?
I'm buying the first 100
4 drinks,
people drinks,
okay?
so go.
I bought 4 drinks.
You did?
How many shirts is for 100 drinks? I don't math, but
We get them all, bro, and then we're gonna sell them to these fools. And then make a profit. Okay, guys, you guys gotta make sure you watch this video because I'm losing money.
It's broken. Alright, okay.
Thank you.
Damn! Hey, you saved me money. I got you next Asian meet.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Asian. I need a tax write-off, bro.
All the motorcycle.
Fuck yeah, bro.
Can I get a name for you? You should do like every month.
For everybody?
I'm trying.
What is that, your mission?
All right, my shirt goes to him, okay?
Kids menu. Kids menu.
Kids menu?
Kids menu.
Mango Frosty? Need a booster chair? I don't know. Strawberry Yakult? Yeah. Yeah.
Whole milk? Yeah. No. Do you have like non-dairy creamer? Yeah.
Yeah, oat milk.
Oh, oat milk.
Yeah, he's right here.
Oh, sorry. You order. You order.
You looked right above him. She said, where did he go?
That's messed up.
We got Sippy the shirt, guys. Mission accomplished. It only took like $300. Where's your tip jar, bro?
Appreciate it.
Alright, let's dip. I saw one car. I was like, the same shit. Golly, it's like 10 at night. But look at this freaking traffic. Holy cannoli. Alright, fam. It is day 2. It was hot as hell today, but I got the slides on. And we got the bike on the rack. Jigsaw Ray, Jigsaw King's meeting us here. Let me unload it. Jigsaw Ray's here. Shit. He's over there. He's over there. He's over there. He doesn't see me. He doesn't see me. I want to unload. I want to unload. He doesn't see me. He's over there. He's way over there. Let's go. Let's go. I don't know. I don't know if he saw me. He may have. I don't know. I think he knows.
Where'd you park the truck?
What do you mean?
Your wings are still folded. Your vest is still open.
I rode.
I only heard the bike over there.
Yeah,
5 sporting goods.
so I came around there, I turned it off to see if I could hear you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's why that red truck that I can see. You fucking scared.
I don't think you saw me.
I didn't see you.
You did it?
But the thing is, like, I heard a bike. I'm like, that sounds like the RS. But it ain't fucking pulling up. It's not the sound of a bike pulling up. It's the
It just started.
that just started. A cold start. You could have at least parked all the way down there.
I was trying to beat you, then I heard your bike and I was like, oh fuck, oh look at go.
Oh.
The jig is up. JZX, look at that Camry. Hold up. Oh, what the f? Do I gotta check engine light? Or it's a maintenance light. Let's go. Oh yeah, man, I love afternoon rides. It's the best, dude. I got my jacket zipped down, not all the way, but you know, I can feel the breeze. Feels freaking great. Hanging out with the homie Ray J again. We're not even taking the freeway. That's nice. I can just ask Red to help me go get my truck then. So I don't have to ride back.
Fucking bomb.
I am, bro. I am. Oh god. Didn't see that speed bump. Sippy lives right by this beautiful lake and he don't have a boat. What a shame. Look at this beautiful view, man. Holy cannoli. Golly. Man, I think we made it. Wow, that was a short ass ride, dude. Holy cannoli. I can literally just go walk back from my truck and I would have been here already. Let's take that to go get the truck. I literally could have just drove here. I didn't know you were here. My truck's down the street.
What the fuck is your...
Happy birthday, Dennis.
Thank you.
I'm so sorry I didn't make your meat. I was watching kids.
You sure you weren't watching porn?
That too.
Really? Damn.
How's your bike?
I picked up a second one.
climb up.
Shut up, bro.
I picked up Grom.
A Grom?
I picked up a Grom.
Wait, I thought you got the Grom first.
A double girl.
Oh shit, what's up? Oh, Dennis. Dennis.
I mean, Dennis's girl.
Bro, what the fuck?
I'll take her. I'll take her, bro. Don't worry about it.
Back to square. Give us a
Oh my god, dude. What's up, brother? How are you? You want a water?
Can I have your butt?
Yes, you can. No. Alright, bro, what the happened last night, bro?
We were making a right-hand turn in traffic, and then I was looking this way. And the funny part is, I literally told Ray, I was like, Ray, we gotta be careful making this right-hand turn. As soon as I turned my head,
Self-fulfilling prophecy.
Yeah.
Go ahead, go on.
as soon as I turned my head, there's somebody in front of me,
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes.
and then yeah, I fell and I dropped my bike.
Holy fuck,
At
bro.
this
My
point,
God.
he might need a jigsaw as well because it's too short. All right.
The jigsaw might fit him better, dude.
Yeah.
Honestly. That why you didn't ride today? It's just kind of like,
To be honest, I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna.
He's like, too many right turns.
I was like,
he
bro,
looked at the map. He's like, right turn, right turn. Now
I
one
was
too
like,
many right
nah.
turns to Sippies. All right, guys, we got some rice. We got some adobo. Shrimp. Oh, that looks good.
Remember the first day I got the S1000? And I was like, I don't know if I want to buy this, dude.
He was like, dude, that shit. Should I lower? I was like,
Should I lower
stop
it?
being a
Yeah.
little.
And I just said, F it, I'm gonna go ride it.
You should do it.
You're good at blowing, blow.
Pure white Henny.
Why is it brown?
Thanks for the invite. Come by.
Thank you guys. Love you long time.
I say bro and dude.
Brood. We almost let him get away with it. Red was ready, bro. He's like, no, fuck that bitch. Don't give Filipinos Hennessy, bro. Jesus Christ.
That's from one shot. One shot. And you talk about broods.
Really? You went for the middle. You didn't even mix it up, bro. You went for the middle.
You know you're Asian when your chaser is rice.
Du bad mig över telefon